Hi, I'm Justine with Blue Jay Orchids. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking at the pictures, you're probably like, what does an RV trailer and 2 cruise ships and 2 random orchids have to do with what we're watching? Well, we went on a family vacation. We have an RV, so we went RVing for the weekend. Went to visit some relatives in Cape Canaveral. Stayed at Jetty Park. I kind of found an orchid nursery to go visit, so that will be at the very end of the video. We'll start the video with some views from our campsite and some quick cruise ship videos. The views from Jetty Park are amazing. You can see the ships like leaving, which is really cool. And then we stopped at a botanical garden, so that will be in there. They have some really cool glass displays. So I have some pictures, not much video, so that will go pretty fast. And then if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and keep watching. Plan on doing a bunch more fun videos, mostly orchid content with some maybe family RV trips thrown in every now and then. Just 'cause. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, feel free to comment. Talk to you guys soon. Wow. That's pretty cool. So what we're looking at here is actually our view. We can see the cruise ships leaving from our RV campsite that we stayed at. Wow. Yeah, wow. That was well done. Is that cool? That's cool, bud, isn't it?
Now, have you been here today, Mom? Did you hear?
Wow. Look at that.
There's someone actually driving that boat.
Baby!
Wave bye-bye.
Bye!
Say bon voyage.
No!
That's pretty cool, isn't it, bud? Wave.
Bye!
Say bye. Well, this was worth the price of admission. This is Disney's cruise ship, The Wish, as it leaves Port Canaveral. So this is a park connected to the place we were staying. This is the Norwegian cruise ship Escape, I believe. And yeah, so the RV park that we were staying at was Jetty Park, so it's right at the same area where all the cruise ships, you board the cruise ships and like where they leave from. So every day we get to see the cruise ships. You go to bed and there's no cruise ships, you wake up and then there's different cruise ships, and then 5 p.m. you get to see them all leave. And then all the Disney ships tend to do like a really cool horn where they sing. And then just watching the cruise ships, I mean, it was really cool as an adult, but our kids loved it. And then my husband's mother came with us too, kind of to help with the kids and just to get a little vacation as well. But we had a lot of fun, so that was where we stayed. And now we're heading, the next video footage is the botanical garden we visited. And then the botanical garden actually had a car show, 5 p.m., which my husband knew but didn't tell me. I love cars, I just didn't expect them to be at the garden. I was wondering why he was so excited to go to the botanical garden. Now I know. Cars, which my husband. So this starts the botanical garden part of the video, and the botanical garden we went to is McKee. I think that's how you say it. Botanical Gardens, and they had